May we all welcome Mark Wilson A. Valle, Summa Cum Laude and Leadership Award.
To our commencement speaker, school administrators, academic head and program heads, distinguished guests, esteemed faculty and staff, proud parents, dear friends, and my fellow graduates, a pleasant morning to all. Today, it is my honor and pleasure to speak as the batch valedictorian and to celebrate this milestone with the graduates of STI College Ortigas Cainta. I know that we are all delighted to be gathered here today to reap the fruits of our hard work. Although there's a tinge of sadness, as this is the time when we will close a chapter of our lives that has honed and nurtured us for the past 4 years. On this special occasion, I want to ask all of you a question I often read in many online discussions. Talino o diskarte? It's a topic that sparks debate and curiosity among netizens. Now, it's your turn to give an answer. For you, which is more important? Being intelligent or being street smart? Perhaps some of you might argue that talino or intelligence is more crucial because it gives us the foundation to understand complex problems, analyze data, and come up with informed solutions. It's the knowledge we have gained from our studies that allows us to innovate and push boundaries. On the other hand, some of you might answer diskarte or being street smart because it's about finding practical solutions in real time, adapting quickly to new situations, and making the best out of what you have. Ika nga ng iba, daig ng madiskarte ang matalino. Now, which one of these would lead us to success? Well, if you would ask me, I would answer both, as exemplified by my parents. As a proud son of a tricycle driver and a sari-sari store owner, I was exposed at a young age to the reality of life's challenges and the importance of balancing diskarte and talino. Growing up, I saw my father working tirelessly, navigating the streets on his tricycle. Every day, he demonstrated the essence of diskarte. He knew every shortcut, every side street, and how to get through traffic jams. At the same time, my mother ran our small sari-sari store with remarkable talino or intelligence through her effectiveness and efficiency. She kept meticulous records, managed finances, and ensured a balanced inventory of our business. From my parents, I realized that success is not about choosing between diskarte and talino, but integrating both. That is why I utilize talino and diskarte to support myself through college. By being street smart, I applied for every scholarship I knew so that I could finance myself to study in college. And being intelligent is achieved through hard work, determination, and perseverance. Especially in my case with my fellow scholars who must maintain good grades for our scholarship. As a scholar ng Taytay and a recipient of the STI Academic Excellence Scholarship, people often think a scholar's life is easy because of the financial assistance that we enjoy. But deep inside, I personally feel pressured with the responsibility to maintain my grade above the minimum requirement. That is why I sacrificed a lot to ensure I could keep this privilege, which is my only ticket to a better future. My college journey is just one of the stories of this graduating batch filled with challenges, triumphs, and countless memories that have shaped who we are today. Indeed, our batch faced a unique set of challenges as we began online classes at the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Anxiety was our constant companion as we wondered how we would cope with the situation, particularly for those of us who were working students, buried in tasks, and striving to keep up. Nevertheless, we have managed to overcome these obstacles and continue to thrive in the new normal. Furthermore, we encountered many challenges that tested our resilience, and there were times when we stumbled due to failures and mistakes. However, through those setbacks, we learned invaluable lessons. Surely, this won't be the last time we could face disappointments in life, but we should not let these setbacks hinder us from fighting on and moving forward. As the saying goes, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you rise from the ashes of adversity. Aside from our stories of success and challenges, we are here on the special day of our graduation because of the wholehearted and unwavering support of the people who guided us. First and foremost, let's thank our beloved school, STI College Ortigas Quinta, for welcoming and supporting us over the years. Surely, the memories and lessons we have learned within the four corners of the classroom will stay with us as we enter the new world that awaits us. To the registrar, cashiers, staff, security officers, and the whole non-teaching personnel who tirelessly assisted us in every aspect of our academic journey, thank you so much. Secondly, let's give thanks to our teachers for their guidance and wisdom. They may have used different teaching methods, but one thing is certain. They've been there to teach and care for us like our second parents. To all my teachers since first year, and to our thesis advisor, Ms. Leslie Mina, thank you for being both mentors and friends who inspire us to face the pressures of life. Thirdly, let's express our gratitude to our parents and family who were our pillars when we felt burdened and weak. We deeply appreciate all the sacrifices you have made for us. Without you, we wouldn't be here today. To my mama, papa, and ate, thank you for your patience and love. I promise to continue making you proud and to cherish all the lessons and advice you have given to me. I love you all so much. Last but not the least, all the glory and recognition we received belong to God Almighty in heaven. We thank you for all the blessings and opportunities. May you continue to guide us as we navigate this new adventure beyond college life. To my fellow graduates, as we step into the next phase of our lives, let us carry forward the lessons we have learned in this institution. Let us not be afraid of being left behind in reaching our dreams. We don't need to rush, because the true measure of our lives is not how quickly we achieve our goals, but the quality of the journey we take. It's not about getting to the finish line first, but about cherishing every moment and enriching the lives of those around us. Sabi nga ng Tini, buhay ay di karera. Success is not just measured by grades or accolades, but by the kindness we demonstrate, the integrity we uphold, and the positive impact we make on the world. As future leaders, innovators, and change makers of the society, let us use our skills and talents as forces for good to shape a better tomorrow. Most importantly, let us use our talino and diskarte in our decisions so that we can achieve meaningful progress and make impactful contributions to our country. To the graduates of batch 2023-2024, let's now begin this new journey, surpass our perceived limits, and build a world that will allow us to shine even brighter. As we move forward, let us keep our passion burning and never stop dreaming. Remember, we are made to be more, so let us aim high for ourselves, for our loved ones, and for our country. Thank you, and mabuhay po tayong lahat.